Welcome to the Premier Club Lounge to Pau Hana Friday. This is a little party that we host for the first Friday of every month to welcome our Pualani Elite and Premier Club members to our lounge. And so with that, I wanted to introduce everyone to our entertainers for this afternoon. We have Iolani and Natalie Kamauu, and they are very talented musicians here in Hawaii. And so without further ado, I'll turn it over to them. Mahalo.
This song is based on love. It talks about the Uhiwai rains of Waimea. And I don't think Nathan Avial, when he wrote it, he knew that I was going to take such a huge liking to it. But my grandmother's name is Uhiwai. She is such the rain from Waimea, cooling you, refreshing you. She's no longer with us, but when I sing this song, I can feel her, just as if the rain were falling upon me. I can feel her. So, as we stand here, our family of 3 minus 1, we want to share with you this song about love and about family. This is Uhiwai. Oh yeah, oh yeah, Uhiwai. Ke hea mai nei Uhiwai. E makana no e nani mauli no. E kau mai, e ke ahi ahi, ke a malama lama, o ka velo a kala, kala ya oe, ya. Uhiwai, e nani mauli no. Uhiwai, Uhiwai, o uaku neila Uhiwai. Ke kaline I ka hoʻina, hoʻi ke aloha aina. E ia hoʻi au, e ia hoʻi au, e au. Ke kaline I ka hoʻina, hoʻi ke aloha aina. E ia hoʻi au, e ia hoʻi au, e au. Uhiwai, Uhiwai, he nani mauli no. On behalf of my husband, Iolani, our daughter, Shalay, thank you so much for joining us in the beautiful Premier Lounge of Hawaiian Air. Thank you for Hawaiian Air for asking us to be a part of First Fridays. Remember, family's always first. Don't forget to love and to live aloha. Uhiwai, Uhiwai, Ikapuwai. We love you, Chad. Uhiwai.